I get asked all the time, this is one of the most popular questions, can I get a data science or an engineering job with a master's degree or with majoring in this topic? And I'm here to give you real talk here, guys. Like, I'm not trying to sugarcoat anything, but unfortunately, the days where you could just code in Python, code in SQL, get a degree, maybe some machine learning, and just have a job handed to you, that's been over for years. Because now, not only are you competing with like all the other people who are coming out in your cohort from master's programs, from undergraduate programs in data science, in computer science, but now you're also competing with 100,000 people that have been laid off from tech jobs in the past couple of years, including people with 2-3 years experience at Meta, at Amazon, at Google, and so on. So you need to do things that stand out from the peers because everyone has Python, SQL, basic machine learning, right? So what are you going to do? The first is to do projects that are actually like interesting, that get you excited and that you'd be excited to talk about. This way, when you're in an interview and they're asking you about some of the things you've been working on, your eyes are just gonna like light up, right? You're gonna be excited talking about this and they're gonna look at you and say, oh, here's someone who could possibly be excited about the projects that we're working on, that we're facing in the company. And the second thing is networking. You need to make yourself known and your work known to people in your field. So I've been doing all this career content and I started posting on platforms like LinkedIn. And one of the side effects has been as I post my work, I've also gotten contacts across every major company like that's out there. I've had recruiters from everywhere from Google, Meta, Netflix, Amazon, all the way up to like Anthropic, a head of data science or head of data had reached out to me from my posts on LinkedIn. And so maybe you don't get that level quite yet, but if you start building connections with other people in your field, that's a much better approach to start getting referrals than just cold calling random people.